Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the south garden, and I'm gonna give you a little update of what we've got. We've got half this garden put in already, so it's flying along. So these first two rows here, we put beans, and this row over here I put Blue Lake, and this row over here I put Jade. And if you've been following the channel, you know that we usually double row or double plant these on our beans, but I just single row this year because it's just two of us and it works us to death. So I'm just going to try one row here per and see how it goes. So anyway, this is our standard two beans, is Blue Lake and Jade. So let's swing right around there. We'll look at some cucumbers. Now, this first row of cucumbers, which is row 3, these are called Green Lake Green Light, and I grew all these from seed, and I planted them a couple of days ago. They really look good. And I think they're a 40-day cucumber, so in 40 days we should have some cucumbers. That next row is a pickling cucumber. It's a Demont. Let's walk over there, we'll get a little closer look. And I started all these from seed too, so they look really good. Got 72 each in these two rows here. So this is, like I said, is a pickling cucumber, and if you pick it right, don't have seeds, and they're really good to make pickles out of. I mean, we sell the heck out of these things, and people always talk about how good they are. They're good just to eat too. They don't have that bitter taste. So next row, I got the old Dasher 2. Now it's a 50, I think it's a 55 day. These Demonts are 50 day. So these Dasher 2s, I've grown these for years and years and years. They always do good for us. They're a slicing cucumber, so they'll get, pretty big. That first cucumber was a slicing. The second row is a pickling. Then I got another row of picklers on over, be row number 6. So let's right over there and look at that. So this row, I'm experimenting with different kinds of pickling cucumbers. I've got something called a national pickler, pick a bushel, and an organic something organic. Let me go get my list and I'll be right back. Okay, the first one is called homemade pickles, and I didn't write how many days they are, but usually they're usually around 45-50 days. The next section is pick a bushel, and the last section I've got down there is called double yield. And then I've got one section I haven't got anything in. I ordered some more from when I ordered my pumpkin seeds and my squash seeds I ordered the other day. So when it gets in, I'll put it down there. So I'll have four ones here, 4 different ones I haven't ever grown that we're going to try. And of course, this is my book, and I've got way back, I guess, from whenever we first started. Of course, I didn't write the year on this one. Well, this is really old because I did a lot of heirloom tomatoes. That's when I didn't know any better. But I did notice on this one, I'm about 2 weeks later than we did last year. So last year we started planting the 6th of May. This year we started a little bit over about the 14th, but this right here was done last weekend, about the 20th. So I'm gonna take you over and show you my peppers I got and talk a little bit about those, and we'll see what else we get into. Okay, I'm up here at my peppers, and like I started talking about them the other day in the other video, I didn't have time, but I've got 18 jalapenos out here. I got several green bell peppers that I didn't have room for in there. We didn't grow any peppers out in the field last year, so the year before, I mean, we always have before, but last year we didn't need to. Okay, I've got several just regular green bell peppers. They're supposed to be like a Whopper, parts Whopper, and something I wanted to try. Then on down we got some banana peppers. Starting right here, I've got probably, oh, I don't know, 15 they're sweet banana. They're not the hot banana. And then let's walk on down there, and I got 8 of these. I got these in Knoxville the other day. So I got 8 those purple bell peppers. We growed several of them last year, and they're really cool looking, and they sold really well. So we got 8 of those. I think we only did 4 last year, so we doubled those. And I still got some room here, and I've got some cherry peppers. I'm gonna go in the high tunnel real quick and show you those. I got some cherry peppers coming up, and some more jalapenos, and I got to seed a few more peppers, so I might have to take half this other row. But I've only got 3 more rows over here left, and I'm gonna put my okra out. I'll probably do that this week. I usually wait till the middle of June. Seems like it. I probably should have already got them in. I think I'm gonna start planting them early. I used to wait till the middle of June when it was really, really hot because they like heat. But under that plastic's going to heat anyway, so I'll probably go ahead and get that in and finish this row out with peppers. But let's go over here. I seen something coming up. Let's go over and look at it real quick. So this is the row when I started that fortune squash, and it's starting to come up here. It just started popping up today. So yeah, looks like every hoe's got something coming up, so that's good. So we'll have some squash here. I think this is a 39-day squash, so we'll have that and some picklers and maybe even a tomato or 2. So I'm gonna come in and show you something in high tunnel number 2. So let's walk over there real quick. So this is that thing I bought at Tractor Supply. It's supposed to be like a reusable potting thing, seed starting thing. And I put red deuce in here, and I think it's the 16th. So I got 3 coming up. And I thought, well, maybe there's something wrong with the seeds. So I had little seeds left over, and I put them in this old cheap thing I had left over. Every seed I had left over came up. So I don't know if this thing ain't no good or what. Now I planted these the same time as these right here. Look at these. These right here were planted at the same time as these. Them are ready to plant, so we'll probably get them in either today or tomorrow. I got a little bit of time. Now I got some that's my Bella Rosas. They're coming up. And I got some jalapenos. They're starting to come up. And that's some super large cherry peppers. They haven't come up yet. And right here, these are paste tomatoes. They're coming up. So it's starting to happen down there. Look at this. I can't get over these plants. Now I've been fertilizing them with the fish emulsion and the More Bloom. It's got that 0-10-10. I've been mixing them together and doing about every 2 weeks. I mean, this thing has exploded. I might put another string on this one. So anyway. Came in over in high tunnel number 1 where the peppers are, and they look fantastic. I had them fertilized about a little over a week ago, so this week they'll get fertilized. But I need to weed them first, and there's some weeds coming up. I need to take care of that. It won't take long at this stage. But I'm really happy with the way they're growing, and of course the squash is just outstanding. Look at that. Matter of fact, I see 2 or 3 on here I'm about to cut. Look at that. It's pretty. This thing is loaded. So give me some squash for supper tomorrow. Okay, I'm standing here beside my tractor, and you notice I got my hay cutter on, so I'm gonna start cutting hay tomorrow. I was actually gonna cut today and film it today, but there's a 30% chance of showers in the morning, and when you cut hay, 30% turns into 130%. So I'm just gonna wait and cut it tomorrow, and I'll film this and raking and all that, so it'll be consecutive videos. So anyway, of course I haven't greased it or anything yet, so I'll show all that in the next video. So I hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. Every time you hit that button, it helps us grow. Support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here in the hayfield in the next video.